Hi, good morning, dear students. This is your maths teacher from Oxford Convent High School, Anikonda. Dear students, so we discussed in last video classes in 9th standard lines and angles. So, how to define the line, point, line segment, some basic aspects also discussed in previous chapter also. Then further move towards in this chapter we discuss different kinds of angles. Right now, such as acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Not only these kinds of angles, one step more forward, we go into another different kinds of angles also, such as complementary angle, supplementary angle, adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle, linear pairs of angle, so on and so on. Right now, I hope those all kinds of angles you learn properly and those all knowledge in keep in your mind. Yes, well said. But we shall move towards another different kinds of angle, such as linear pairs of angle. Linear pairs of angle. Linear pairs of angle. Dear students, this linear pairs of angles we have defined. How? And what types of angles we should call linear pairs of angle? Right now? Yes. If any lines stands on another line, then form two angles. The space of angles is always 180 degree. Example, then you call A, O, B and C. Dear students, AOC angle AOC plus angle BOC. The sum of two angles is what you will know? Yes, we already discussed in previous video class. The sum of two angles is what? The sum of two angles is what indicate? AOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle AOB. Angle AOB. So therefore, see AOB is what indicate? Just recall, remember it. Angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB is indicated as 180 degree. So therefore, sum of two angles, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle 180 degree. The sum of two angle is called what we call linear pairs of angle. Linear pair of angle. Understand? Okay. And next, we move towards one important theorem on this aspects, linear pairs of angle, such as what? Theorem number 3.1. This theorem statement is what indicate if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So it is very easy theorem. If two lines are vertically intersect each other, the angle AOB and CD. Here, vertically opposite angle means angle AOD angle BOC is equal, and AOC angle and BOD angle is equal. So therefore we have to prove that the vertically opposite what opposite angles are equal ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಈ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. We have to follow the 4 steps. Do you know which are data to prove construction and proof? You have to follow the 4 steps. First one, data. What is the statement? That statement is divide data to prove. If two lines are intersect each other means angle AB, side AB and side CD. AB and CD two lines are intersect each other. At O. Then form 4 angles. Which are that 4 angles are named as AOB, BOD and BOC and AOC. 4 angles are formed. Next we have to prove that. What we prove that? To prove vertically opposite angles are equal. Which are vertically opposite angle? Which are the opposite angle? AOC. We have to prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle BOD. And another pair, second pair. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Angle BOC. So this is second pair. First pair AOC is equal to BOD, AOD is equal to BOC. So therefore two pairs of angle are vertically opposite. Next, what we prove that here there is no any constructions in this theorem. So let us we going to directly fourth step, that is proof. So here AOC and BOD, we have to prove that AOC is equal to BOD, AOD is equal to BOC. OA stands on line AD, OA stands on DC or CD, right? OA, line OA stands on CD. Then form here two angles which are AOC plus DOA or AOD. AOD is equal to what? 180 degree. Because linear pair of angle. Why sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree? Because linear pair of angle. And second one AOD plus BOD. AOD plus BOD. Here also OD stands on AB. ನೋಡಿ AB ಮೇಲೆ OD ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್? AOD plus BOD. AOD plus BOD, this is also equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. So therefore AOD plus BOD is also 180 degree. Then from 1 and 2, this is equal 1, this is equal 2. From 1 and 2, then what it is basically the opposite angles are equal. Means AOC, sum of AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. See here, AOD and AOD cancel in LHS and RHS, then remaining is what? AOC. AOC is equal to BOD. AOC is equal to BOD. So here we have to prove the first pair of angles. Right? So listen once again here, students. If any two lines are intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Yes. If two lines are vertically intersect each other, then opposite angle, we have to prove that what? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So first you draw the figure like this. AB and CD intersect at point O. Here form the steps. 4 steps here. We have to proceed the 4 steps. First step data, second step to prove, third step construction, fourth proof. But here first step is data. What is given in the statement? Theorem statement. Here two lines are intersect each other at the point, right? That's all. It is data. Means it is given in the statement of theorem. Then what we prove that this is also is having in statement theorem. Theorem statement. Here we have to prove that opposite angle. Which are the opposite angles? AOC is equal to BOD. That's all. AOC is equal to BOD. One pair. And the second pair AOD and BOC. Second pair. Vertically opposite. What? Opposite angles are equal. We have to prove the two pairs of angles. Clear? Oh. This is 2. Here there is no any construction because no need to draw any construction. So that's why the step is skip and we are going to forward next further step, that is proof. So in this proof it is very simple. We have to prove the first phase of angle, that is AOC is equal to BOD. So therefore AO stands on CD. AO stands on CD. Therefore, form the two angles which are AOC and AOD. AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. And the second one, OD. OD stands on AB. OD stands on AB. So therefore, AOD plus BOD, the sum of two angles is equal to what? This is also 180 degree because it is also linear pair of angle. So therefore, the two pairs is equal to 180 degree. Then you call equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, right now 1 and 2 equation AOC plus AOD, AOD plus BOD, because both are LHS equal 180 degree. AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. Here AOD and AOD both cancel in LHS and RHS. The remaining is what? AOC is equal to BOD. Hence we prove that first pair of angle AOC is equal to BOD. Similarly, BOD is equal to BOC. That's it. Hence we have to prove this theorem. If two lines are intersect each other, then we have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand this theorem and you try to do it once again. If you have any doubts, you please ask. Okay, thank you, dear students.